Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video we will see how we can install Apache web server on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS operating system. So the process is simple. Open a terminal window. Now update the system packages by running sudo apt update command. Enter the sudo user password. Let's clear the terminal. Now type this command sudo apt -get space install space Apache 2 and hit enter. Enter the user password with sudo privileges and press enter. Now the installation will start. Wait for the installation to complete. So the installation is complete. Now we can check the status of Apache. For that, type this command sudo space systemctl space status space Apache 2 and hit enter. Systemctl is a command that can be used to start and check status of different system services. You can see Apache is running. You can type Q to exit the status message. Now let's check the default Apache page. For that, open the browser. You can use any browser. In the URL box, type 127.0.0.1 and press enter. You can see the default Apache page. So this means Apache web server is successfully installed in our Ubuntu operating system. If you find this video useful, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.